How to add topsoil to a flower bed. Adding topsoil to a flower bed may be necessary to change the grade of an existing bed, to raise it slightly. While it's tempting to simply purchase a bag of commercially produced topsoil, you should understand what is in the mix before buying. The Louisiana State University Extension recommends purchasing a locally produced mix to ensure the materials function well with the existing garden soil in the area. Things you'll need: new topsoil, tiller, 3:1:2 ratio fertilizer. Inquire about the pH of the topsoil before you buy. Ideally, it should be around 6 or 7. Till the existing soil to loosen it a bit. Put down a few inches of new soil and blend it with the existing soil. This will ensure a good transition between soils and allow plants' roots to more easily penetrate the layers. Add the rest of the necessary soil to the bed. The LSU Extension recommends incorporating a 3:1:2 ratio fertilizer before planting in the altered bed. This will ensure adequate nitrogen if the organic matter isn't sufficiently composted. Tips: warnings. If you know your existing garden soil has very high or very low pH, test the pH at the start of every season to determine which soil amendments are necessary. You can test the soil with paper testing kits or send a soil sample to your local university extension office for a complete soil test and amendment recommendations.